Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Wells Fargo online banking. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the steps to access and manage your accounts online. To get started, go to the Wells Fargo website and click on the Online Banking tab. You will be directed to the login page where you will enter your username and password. If you are a new user, you will need to enroll in online banking by clicking on the Enroll Now button and following the prompts. You will need to provide your account information and create a username and password. Once you have logged in, you will see an overview of your accounts, including your checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. You can click on each account to view more detailed information, such as your account balance, transaction history, and payment due dates. To pay a bill, click on the Pay Bills tab and select the account you want to pay from and the payee you want to pay. You can also set up automatic payments by clicking on the Automatic Payments tab. To transfer money, click on the Transfer Money tab and select the account you want to transfer from in the account you want to transfer to. You can also use online banking to view and print statements, order checks, and update your account information. To view your account statements, click on the Statements tab and select the account and statement period you want to view. To order checks, click on the Order Checks tab and follow the prompts. To ensure the security of your accounts, make sure to log out of online banking when you are finished and do not share your username and password with anyone. It is also a good idea to monitor your accounts regularly and report any suspicious activity to Wells Fargo immediately. By following these steps and tips, you can take advantage of the convenience and flexibility of Wells Fargo online banking. If you have any questions or need help, you can contact Wells Fargo customer service by phone or online.